What's up, guys? If you're new to the channel, this is the 1984 Aquasport I'm currently rebuilding, or restoring I should say. So I haven't posted a video in a little bit. We painted the Johnson. This is a 225 horsepower Johnson V6. It's a 1996, and it's also an Ocean Runner. So that's like the model of it. I've heard a lot of great things about these engines. A lot of people said they're super reliable. I heard that they just drink a lot of gas, which is very true because just running it out here, it drinks gas. So I have not taken this boat on the water yet. I'm gonna take it out this weekend. I left my radio on. That's great. I'm taking the boat out for the first time this weekend, and it looks pretty good. Engine looks really nice, black, and I'm just trying to make sure everything's working properly because we're going to go probably 10 miles out of the Gulf of Mexico. So there's a couple other things I got to do before it's ready, but the engine's obviously the most important thing. And I want to make sure this engine's running and shifting perfectly. So batteries are on. Let's give this thing a start. It's not, oh, we gotta put this on. Oh, I think. There we go. Okay, it should start up. The engine's not hot. There's some type of wiring issue with that. And that's perfect. That's exactly where I wanted it to idle at, because when I drop this thing in the water, it's gonna idle a little bit less. Let's put it in gear, see how she's shifting. Reverse. It's in gear right now. It's at idle. Seems like it's running pretty good. Let's try the tilt and trim. That's working. So everything seems good on the engine. I mean, it's shifting good. It's, you know, it's idling pretty good. Shifting real good. Oh, forgot you gotta let that thing drop a little. Seems good enough for me. I mean, it's it might be idling a little bit on the higher side, but I just want to make sure that thing's getting enough gas. I don't want to put it in water and then the RPMs go down and then stall out and stuff. So it seems like it's shifting good. Everything seems, you know, normal on it. So that's good. Like I said, guys, I have not taken this boat out yet. First time's gonna be this weekend. I'm pretty excited. We got 2 big old marine batteries in there. One's a starting battery, one's a deep cycle battery for all the electronics. And we're just gonna go enjoy the day, because I haven't enjoyed this boat one day. I've been freaking working on it nonstop. Tilt and trim works. Everything's getting there. So, and I think it looks really good black. Let me pull it all the way up just so you guys can see it compared to the boat. And the boat's got power steering, so it, you know, steering wheel is super smooth. And there's a giant lake right here, so I'll try not to step in that. Alright, I just want to show you guys the engine a little bit with the color of the boat. It looks pretty good, I think. It matches the Bimini top and the black poles. So, hope you guys like the video. I'm gonna get some footage of us out there for sure. And stay tuned to that video, because that's gonna be a good one. Hey guys, this picture right here is exactly how I bought my boat. That was the day I bought it. That's what it looked like. It had just the worst paint job on it. The bottom paint of the boat was just, oh, I think it was a mixture of blue and green. I don't even know what color it was. And it was so dirty, and it was just, honestly, it was pretty rough. Pretty rough. The Bimini top, as you can see, was green. Now we have it black. The rub rail, as you can see in that picture, was blue. It had a little faded Aquasport sticker on it that we sanded down. It had the blue strip of sticker all the way around both sides of the boat. It looked terrible. It looked like it was ready to, you know, it was on its last legs. But I hope you guys liked the video, and hit that thumbs up button.